Cisco's CXIB methodology is designed to give you an active choice to ensure appropriate service entitlement, manage LDOS risk, and simplify your coverage landscape by giving you visibility of your Cisco installed base to optimize your network. CXIB methodology delivers easy-to-process information on your contracts and subscriptions through digital notifications. This gives you the visibility you need to review, simplify, and optimize your entire Cisco support landscape. This is all possible with application of CXIB methodology's 3 Cs: contract consolidation, co-termination, and cover the uncovered. With CXIB methodology, you get a complete overview of your device coverage status, allowing you to cover the uncovered with the appropriate service coverage and response times. This enables you to start product migration planning by reviewing the devices past and approaching the last date of support, LDOS, to ensure a secure, compliant and optimized network. With total contracts, you can simplify the contract landscape by consolidating compatible service contracts per partner to ensure a simplified renewals process, recurring contract management and purchasing. With the number of renewal dates, you can co-terminate and align all your coverage to a future end date, reducing the number of renewal events, aiding you in financial planning and recurring contract management. Number of partners gives you the visibility to start working towards contract simplification with each of your Cisco service partners. CXIB methodology is an approach that helps you to ensure a secure, compliant and optimized network by enabling you to make an active choice in appropriate service entitlement, aiding you to manage last date of support, LDOS risk, in time to plan needed product migration, guiding you in reducing complexity on your coverage landscape, simplifying your Cisco renewal engagements. Discover more about how the CXIB methodology can help transform your business for success. For more information, email us on EMEA_CXIB_renewal@cisco.com.